The Fifth Circuit Court of Appeals issued a striking order in the long-standing fight over foster care in Texas. It removes the federal judge who has overseen this case for more than a decade. KXAN's Avery has been following this case for years and is joining us live now for some more insight. Avery, thank you for being here. Let's just talk about what's the biggest impact this is going to have immediately.
Right, you mentioned it there. Judge Janice Jack has overseen this lawsuit since it was filed in 2011, and she has really been known for demanding change from the state agencies who are tasked with caring for kids in the system. I've been on the show speaking with you before about contentious hearings where she has really held the state to some really high standards. Several times she's held the state in contempt of court for failing to make the changes and reforms that she's ordered. Now, the most recent of those rulings came in just earlier this year. Judge Jack demanded the state pay a $100,000 fine daily for failing, she says, to meet two of her specific orders. That is actually what is at issue here. The state appealed Jack's decision there. And not only did the appeals court remove Jack from the case, saying in its order she has what they call a pattern of disrespect when dealing with the state and its attorneys, calling into question at least the appearance of fairness. But the appeals court also reversed that most recent finding of contempt that came down from Judge Jack, ruling the state did not owe those $100,000 daily fines over the issue at hand here.
So what has now been the reaction from all the people involved with this case? Because as you mentioned, it's been going on for such a long time.
Right. The two state agencies involved, that's the Department of Family and Protective Services, but also the Health and Human Services Commission. They issued a statement saying in part they're pleased with the Fifth Circuit's decision. They say they're pleased that the appeals court recognized the significant efforts that they've invested in serving the families and children of Texas. That's something we've heard in recent hearings. Their attorneys have argued highlighting the progress that they've made and also the money that they have spent to try and reach some of these orders and milestones. The other thing we want to note, though, is on the other side of things, the attorney representing the children in this case calls this a sad day for Texas children. He went on to praise Judge Jack's efforts and said, quote, "She deserves a medal for what she has done." He also said, Will, that they plan to keep fighting.
And what does this mean for the future of the case?
Right. As we said, the attorney there, his name's Paul Yetter, he said he and his team are planning to appeal this decision. So that means it could go up higher to be considered by the Supreme Court. There may be other fallout. We're still working to speak with experts who've been following this even closely than us. So we'll of course bring you updates on that throughout the week as we learn more about what this really means for this monumental case that has dominated so many years here in Texas.
Truly. All right. Thank you so much, Avery, again for joining us with this update. We appreciate it. Coming up.